Indexa Capital Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Indexa Capital are in the description. Let's get straight into it. Indexa Capital is a leading robo-advisor in Spain, offering a fully automated, low-cost investment solution. It's designed for individuals who want a hands-off, long-term investment strategy with globally diversified portfolios. Using a passive investing approach, Indexa Capital builds portfolios with low-cost index funds and ETFs, optimizing returns while minimizing fees. Key features. Indexa Capital focuses on low-cost, passive investing, which means it doesn't try to beat the market, but instead follows its growth over time. It provides personalized portfolio allocation based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. The platform offers automatic rebalancing, ensuring that your portfolio remains optimized as market conditions change. Another key feature is tax-efficient investing, which helps reduce tax burdens on long-term gains. Additionally, Indexa Capital operates with fully transparent pricing, with significantly lower fees than traditional investment advisors. Strengths. The biggest advantage of Indexa Capital is its low-cost structure, with fees much lower than actively managed funds. Its diversified investment approach reduces risk by spreading assets across global markets. The fully automated process makes it perfect for investors who want a simple, passive, and effective investment strategy. Additionally, Indexa Capital is regulated and highly secure, providing peace of mind for users. Weaknesses. While Indexa Capital is great for passive investing, it lacks active portfolio management, meaning it doesn't adjust allocations based on short-term market trends. It also has a minimum investment requirement, which may be a barrier for beginners. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't offer direct stock or crypto trading, making it less appealing for active traders. Final verdict. Indexa Capital is an excellent choice for long-term investors looking for a low-cost, automated, and diversified investment strategy. It's ideal for those who prefer a passive, set-it-and-forget-it approach rather than frequent trading. However, if you're looking for active management or more investment options like crypto, you might want to explore other platforms. Check the links in the description for more details. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert reviews.